This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the scooter and your phone. This is critical because low power can block pairing. Once the scooter is on, hold the scooter power and mode buttons for about 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth discoverable mode. An LED or beep usually confirms it. Meanwhile, open your phone Bluetooth settings and make your phone discoverable. Make sure any previous scooter pairings are cleared on the phone. This first step prepares both devices to see each other and avoids common timeout failures. Now, in your phone's Bluetooth list, select the scooter entry. It often names itself with model or scooter. Tap IR and, if asked, enter the PIN, typically 0000 or 1234, or simply accept the pairing request. Once you tap Connect, the devices exchange keys for a secure link. This may take a few seconds. Make sure the scooter shows a connected LED and the phone shows connected. After connection, test a quick action like throttle response or audio feedback to verify the link functions properly. Finish by marking the scooter as a trusted device or enabling auto-connect so future links are automatic. This saves time and stabilizes reconnections. If pairing fails, restart both the phone and scooter. Power cycling clears temporary errors. Once done, repeat the pairing sequence. If problems persist, reset the scooter Bluetooth module or perform a factory reset as a last resort, because resets erase settings. Only do that when other steps fail. One tip: move away from other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.